Welcome students, Standard 3rd, Subject GK, Chapter 5, World Dances. Children, do you guess what is this? Yes, it is the Lord of Dance, Nataraj, the Shiva. The symbolism of Shiva, Nataraj, is religion, art and science merged as one. Our chapter name is World Dances, so I want to introduce the god of dance. That's why we have seen it. Before move to the world dances, I want to show you the classical dances of India. That's Bharatnatyam, Kuchipudi, Mohiniyattam, Kathakali, Kathak, Manipuri and Odissi. Now move to the world dances. First, tap dance. Tap dance is a type of dance characterized by using the sounds of metal taps affixed to the heel and to the toe, so that striking the floor and make sounds. Second, hip hop. Hip hop is a culture and art movement that was created by African Americans, Latin Americans, and Caribbean Americans in the New York City. Third, salsa dance. Salsa is a Latin dance associated with the music genre of the same name, which was first popularized in the United States in the 1960s in New York City. Fourth, break dance. Break dancing is an athletic style of street dance from the United States. Fifth, flamenco dance. Flamenco dance is an art from based on the various folkloric music traditions of southern Spain. Students, we have seen about Nataraj, classical dances of India and world dances. But do you know there are health benefits of dancing? Benefits are weight management, increased aerobic fitness, increased muscular strength, make our bones stronger, improved condition of our heart and lungs. That's why we have say dancing makes you feel good because it makes you feel so alive. Now move to the textbook chapter 5, World Dances. Look at the pictures of some popular dance forms around the world and write their names in the given blanks. You may use the help box. First, look at the picture. That is the picture of tap dance. Second, that is the picture of hip hop dance. Third, that is the picture of salsa dance. Here help box are given and we have find the dance form of given picture. Here some benefits are given that dance help us stay flexible, calm, cheerful and healthy. We have seen also other benefits of dances. Amazing fact, flamenco is the Spanish word for a flamingo bird. फ्लेमेंको डांस फॉर्म जो है वो फ्लेमिंगो बर्ड के ऊपर से आया है. नाउ इट्स क्विज टाइम. Look at the given pictures and tick right the correct dance forms. It's very easily to identify which type of dance is, isn't it? Because we have seen already we have seen just before a time. So first image is options are flamenco dance, break dance and the salsa. That is the images of break dance. Second, that is the images and options are flamenco dance, break dance and hip hop. So that is the images of flamenco dance. Okay, so we have seen already about tap dance, hip hop, salsa, flamenco dance and break dance. So now I think you all are clear about the chapter 5 world dances. Okay, thank you everyone.